When people hear AI coding, they think of tools that autocomplete code or answer programming questions, but Codex is moving beyond that. Today's video is the start of a series exploring why Codex isn't just about writing code faster, but about AI beginning to think, plan, and act inside real workflows. Originally, Codex worked like a translator. You described what you wanted in plain language, and it turned that into code. Useful, but limited, it waited for instructions. It didn't understand goals, and it didn't manage tasks on its own. Codex is evolving into something more agent-like. It can now work through multi-step problems, suggest improvements and features, handle longer tasks without constant input. That means developers aren't just asking for code, they're collaborating with an AI. This is a subtle but important shift. When AI starts planning and iterating, the role of humans changes. Developers move from writing every line to reviewing, guiding, and making decisions. The value shifts from execution to judgment and direction. This is why Codex feels different and why it's making some people uncomfortable. Over the next videos, we'll break down how Codex actually works, where it helps, and where it fails, whether it replaces developers or empowers them, and how this leads to full AI agents. This video is the foundation. Codex isn't the end of coding, but it is the beginning of a new way humans and AI build software together. If you want clear, grounded explanations of future tech, subscribe to this channel.